Okay, so I'm just gonna make a video on Grab. I'm really just I'm just gonna show you how to I'm just gonna do a tutorial. Also, if you see me on the Grab leaderboard, if you want to join, the code is always 5353. If you want to join my lobby, if you want. But in like other, if you want to join, maybe see me in Gorilla Tag, join code Melon5353. If you want to see me in a fan game, join code Melon, or for Grab 5353 because it doesn't have words. Okay, so tutorial. Okay, so if you're a new player to Grab, you probably just came out of the tutorial. So you're gonna spawn in here. You're gonna spawn like this. So you press your grip to move like this, and basically you're gonna want to scale up because you don't want to walk around like this. You're gonna put your arms out like this, grab both grips on each controller, and just kind of like squeeze. And you can size up or down. So you're going to see like this list. Oh, whoops. Just try to take out one object. You're going to see it has like a little snap to it. If you want to turn that off. Oh yeah, position snap, all this stuff is up here. Basically, I'll just turn position snap off. Rotation snap, it snaps your rotations. Position snap, snaps your position. But if you turn it all off, it's just like very smooth. Okay, so anyway, with these blocks, you can kind of build stuff. If you grab these like blue squares, you can adjust it. With these red kind of like rings, you can like flip it around. If you want to be like very precise, you can be like, you would turn on rotation snap all the way up, and then you would go like this, and then you would stretch it out like this. Okay, so anyway, and these green arrows just kind of pull it wherever you want. If you want to just scale it up, like just really fast, press it both with the triggers, and then just pull apart, and it gets really big. Yeah. So, let's go over the blocks. The stone, it's just kind of there. You can just jump on it. You can't grab it or anything. It's just stone. Next is the normal yellow block. You can grab it. That's all it really is. Next is the ice block. Probably saw this in the tutorial. You can make You can make ice slides with it. It's slippery. There's lava, which if you run into it, it just respawns you. Next is the wood block, kind of like that yellow block, just wood. You can grab onto it, that's it. Next is this green thing. You can grapple onto it. You can just grapple onto it. Now this like red and green thing, you can grapple onto it, but if you touch it, you die. It's like lava grapples, because if you touch it, you die. Next is this yellow thing. If you grab onto it, it starts shaking and it disappears. And next is this plain white block, kind of like stone. Can't really do anything with it. Okay, now let's talk about like customization. The thing that people like about this white block the most is that if you get it, like select it, and then go onto this little notch right here, you can change its color to whatever you want. You can't grab onto it, anything. You can just change the color of it. And for this thing, if you spawn it, you can change like the respawn time. Like the stable time is the time that like if you grip it, and then it just starts shaking for longer than normal. For things like respawn time, it just takes a while to respawn. Stuff like that. Okay, now the end and entrance, you can just kind of like touch them, move them around wherever you want. And also, completely forgot about this. There's this pink block. You would put it down there, and then you can like bounce off of it. It's like a bouncy block. And then there's just all of those in different shapes. Now, let's talk about copying items. So, if you get a block and then look at your left controller, you see that two, like whatever that is, like the block with one in the background. If you press that button, you can copy it. You can copy as many as you want. Yeah, you can copy blocks. Also, there is a level complexity. You can see it down here. That means like how many blocks you can have. You can have 1,500. Now, with the ambience, you can kind of mess around with it. You can like change the color of the sky. You want like a nighttime map. Just turn all these down. Then it'll be dark. And if you want, you can add some fog. I wouldn't recommend fog for levels though. No one likes the fog mechanic. I don't know why. If you want to make it like really blue, turn the fog all the way down and just turn everything as high as it can go. Then you can have a blue sky. You can change it to whatever color you want. Okay, now when I started playing, the signs, I always wondered how to write on them. So basically, you just get it, and then look up here at this little pencil, click that, and then you see a keyboard. That's kind of it. So I'm not gonna really go over like building tips, like things you can build. But yeah, if you don't want to like carry the end or anything all the way over, it's right here. You can grab it. You cannot have multiple ends. Everyone wants multiple ends, but sadly you can't. And yeah, I think I went over everything. I don't know if I don't think I went over everything. I'll just make a quick map. So, I'll make a separate video on that. Okay, so I hope you like my tutorial for making levels in Grab. Please subscribe to me. I'll start my goal is 50 subs, and I will start working on editing at 50 subscribers. Yeah, please subscribe. Please comment like what you want next, or like if you want more of a game. Like I know I did a lot of Party Pie. I just don't know if you guys like it. But anyway, bye. Wait, how do you wave? Bye.